me guess, you've been scrolling through TikTok and suddenly, boom, a mind-blowing video stops you. It's oddly satisfying. You're watching a glowing cube of glass fruit being sliced into perfect pieces, and you can hear every delicate crack. It's smooth, hypnotic, and you can't look away. Ever wondered who's making these? Not factories, not film studios, just regular creators playing with AI tools. Creators like Wild Whispers, ASMR AI Works, Impossible AIs are getting millions of views and thousands of followers every day on TikTok. Today I'm pulling back the curtain. I'll show you how complete strangers are gaining millions of views in weeks, using tools you've probably never touched. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how it's done, you'll be ready to do it better. First of all, I open ChatGPT and type this. I want to create an ASMR video of a crystal fruit, e.g. strawberry, watermelon, banana, apple, orange, being cut into slices using sharp knife in Google Veo 3. I want you to give me 10 detailed prompts, each of different crystal fruit to create such video. NB, it's an ASMR video, so the sound effects is very important, so make sure to give a well-detailed expression. In seconds, ChatGPT gives me 10 amazing prompts, each one featuring a different crystal fruit, perfect for creating a satisfying ASMR video. I open my browser, type Flow, and click the first link that appears. Next, I click Create with Flow and sign in using my Google account. Boom, I'm logged in, and you can see right here, I've got access to the Pro version. Now I want you to pay 100% attention to what I'm about to share next, because if you miss this, you might never catch the train. You see, these AI ASMR videos, they're powered by an incredible tool called Veo 3, and there are only two ways to access it, through Gemini or through Google Flow. But here's the thing, neither will work if you live outside the United States, and definitely not if you don't have the Pro version. Sounds limiting, right? But here's the exciting part. I don't live in the US, yet I have full access to Google Veo 3. And even better, I got the Pro account for free. That's right, $0 spent. Want to know how I did it? I've made a full video tutorial showing you exactly how to get free access to Google Veo 3, step by step. You'll find the link in the description. Go check it out after watching this video, and start creating your own stunning AI ASMR videos for free. Now, back to our topic of concentration. On Google Flow, click on New Project. Click on Settings, then go to Models. From here, you'll see we have 4 different models available. Veo 2 Fast, Veo 3 Fast Text to Video, Veo 2 Quality, and Veo 3 Quality. For this video, we'll focus only on Veo 3. We have the Veo 3 Fast and the Veo 3 Quality. The Veo 3 Fast requires 20 credits to generate a single video, while the Veo 3 Quality requires 100 credits to generate a single video. If you're on the Pro version, you'll be given 1,000 credits every month. That's more than enough to experiment and create amazing content. Now let's test them and see the difference. Starting with Veo 3 Fast, which uses 20 credits. Open ChatGPT, copy the first prompt, paste it into Google Flow, and hit Generate. Now you'll need to wait about 2 to 3 minutes for the video to render. But for the sake of time, I'll fast forward through this part so we don't waste our golden minutes. Alright, the result is now ready. Let's check it out. Wow, that is totally incredible. At this point, I can confidently say that Veo 3 is the best text-to-video generation AI of 2025. Go ahead and click Download to save your video. Now, if you look closely, you'll see it deducted 40 credits from my 1,000. That's because I created 2 videos using the Veo 3 Fast option. Now let's test the Veo 3 Quality model, which charges 100 credits for just one video. First, change the output to 1, switch the model to Veo 3 Quality, paste the same prompt we used earlier, and hit Generate. Our aim here is to compare the 2 versions and see which one delivers the best result. Let's take a look. From my perspective, both models generated high-quality, nearly identical videos. So to avoid unnecessary credit wastage, I'll stick with Veo 3 Fast. Now, go back to ChatGPT. Copy the remaining 9 prompts and paste them one by one into the prompt box to continue generating the rest of your videos. While that's processing, let's use this time to answer some questions. If you've got one, drop it below.
Yes, AI Empire, I have one.
Alright, what's your question?
Why did you use Google Flow to access Veo 3 instead of Gemini?
Great question. Well, I prefer using Flow because it allows me to generate as many videos as my credits permit each day, unlike Gemini, which only allows 3 video generations per day. Any other questions?
No, sir, I now understand.
Awesome. If you also have a question, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. I'll be honored to answer and help you out. Now, back to our video generation. As you can see, all videos are finished. Go ahead and download each one. Then open any video editor you have, arrange all the clips together, and export them in the best quality available. No need for complex editing. Just keep it clean and simple. You're now ready to publish your very own Crystal Fruit ASMR masterpiece.